Welcome back to the yard, guys. I said I was not going to do it, but I decided I have to do it. I have to replace this, which is this. You can see it. Gotta replace that. And I'm going to replace this also. Yeah, door's not closing right, and that screw is broken. So, think I'm just gonna, well, not think, I am going to take this off, and we're gonna change it out. This is this part right here. Yeah, this part is straight. Okay, it's all straight, and this right here is the reinforcement. The reinforcement. Yes, that's what this is. The heavy part. This goes over this, like so, and then all of it got to get welded back on to here. I did not want to do this at all. Did not want to do it. Dread doing it. Yeah. I dread doing it. Yeah. But I have to. 'Cause I don't know. Gotta do it FBA style. Well, you see, yeah. We gotta do that, guys. Yeah. Gotta make it thorough. Very thorough, you see. Very thorough, you see. Gotta do it, and it gotta be thorough. Yeah. FBA thorough. Yeah. So that's what we gotta do, guys. I hate doing it, but somebody's gotta do it, right? Might as well be me. I'm gonna try to do this faster than I did all the rest. I'm gonna try to do this trying to get this done in a week or so. A week or so. Maybe. I usually take my time with stuff like this, but I'm tired of this crap. I'm gonna get this car done. So, I'm gonna try to do it a week. Maybe two. A week, maybe two. But look, we're gonna strive for a week. We're gonna try to get it done in a week. A week's time, yeah. Yeah, a week's time. So we want to get it thorough, you see. We want it to be thorough, you see. Yes, that's what we want. Yeah. You see? Yeah. That's what we try to do, guys. So, yeah, decided to do it this way. Thought I didn't have to move this thing. And I didn't. I didn't really have to move this. But, you know, you want to do it right, so you don't have one screw on here and this door fall off or something, you know. So I'm gonna see how this reinforcement look behind here anyway. Pretty sure it's messed up pretty bad, yeah. Pretty sure. You see? Yeah, so that's what we gotta do. That's what we're going to do. Hopefully to have it done. I don't know. It looks like it's gonna rain today, so that's why I'm trying to take it easy on this thing. Because I gotta take this door off. Now I gotta take this hood off. I gotta take the door and the hood off so I can do this. So I don't want to start on this thing, get really heavy in it, and start pouring down rain out here. You see? Don't want that. We don't want that at all. Yeah. We don't want it. FBA style. Yeah. Shouts out to Tariq Nasheed. Yeah. That's my FBA brother. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So, we gotta get this done, guys. We gotta get it done. Much as I hate it, gotta get it done. Gotta get it done. Gotta get her done. Gotta get her done. If it don't rain, well, I don't think I'm gonna do too much more of this today. I gotta check the weather. If the weather is okay, I might. Yeah, I might. If the weather is okay. If the weather is okay. Yeah. But the weather's gotta be okay. I don't want to get rained on. You see? I don't want to get rained on. Whew, this drill bit is getting dull. That shouldn't have taken that long. And I'm still not through it. I'm going the right way. Let's see. Yeah, that's the right way. Whew. Lord. I need a new drill bit. I had to put a new drill bit in there. That shouldn't take that long to drill through lots. Let's see. I don't think this one's good at all. I don't think this one's good at all. Wait, let me see. I think that one pretty good, I think. Let's see. Oh, golly. Man, I'm about to drill a hole through my hand. Let's see. This one good, okay? All of them pretty suck. do got some good ones though. I do got some good ones, but that's it, guys. Short video, just to let you know we're not done with this thing. We was almost done, but then I had to try to remove that screw right there. Now the door is shutting terribly. So this is what we're doing now. So I will show the progress as we go. So that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you again when we're back in the yard, baby. The yard.